What is China doing with 182 breakthrough infrastructure projects that could reshape the global economy? While the world is reeling from intractable conflicts from the Russia-Ukraine war, the Israel-Iran violence, two tensions in the Red Sea, and the subtle disputes between Thailand and Cambodia in the east, one nation is choosing an entirely different path. Not fortresses, not aircraft carriers, but high-speed rail lines reaching 350 kilometers per hour, seaports operated by AI, smart cities powered by big data and advanced robotics. While many major economies are slipping into recession, China has unexpectedly launched 182 large-scale infrastructure and technology projects in just the first quarter of 2025, from semiconductor manufacturing and clean energy to autonomous transportation and integrated mega-cities. This is no longer ordinary. It's true structure development. This is a process of reshaping the global economy with a speed, intelligence, and strategy the world has never seen before. And if you think this is just China's internal affair, you may need to take another look at the global economic map in the coming years. I'm James. Welcome to Top 10 Discoveries, official where we explore how a nation of over 1.4 billion people is redefining the future of humanity with 182 infrastructure projects. 1. The power behind 182 projects. Imagine a world reeling from trade wars, runaway inflation, and economic recessions in many regions. Amid this storm, China rises like a beacon, leading the globe with unstoppable strength. As the world's second-largest economy, China is astonishing the world. With 182 major industrial infrastructure and manufacturing projects launched in the first quarter of 2025, these projects embody China's grand strategic vision. Encapsulated in its 5-in-1 plan, synchronized development of economy, politics, society, culture, and environment of the Communist Party of China's 4 comprehensive strategy, promoting modernization, reform, rule of law, and party governance. These projects are the vanguard, propelling China toward global economic leadership at an unimaginable speed and scale. With a GDP of $18.3 trillion in 2024, China accounts for nearly 20% of the global economy. Its goods exports reach $3.4 trillion, far surpassing any other nation, solidifying its position as the world's factory. This isn't just growth, it's global economic dominance. What drives the strength of China's 182 groundbreaking infrastructure and technology projects? A bold, uncompromising investment strategy, combined with an unprecedentedly flexible and efficient administrative system. In 2025, China is expected to mobilize massive capital by issuing a record-breaking 3 trillion yuan, approximately $409.19 billion in special treasury bonds. This funding is strategically allocated to finance large-scale infrastructure projects, upgrade enterprise technology, and implement consumer goods innovation programs to stimulate domestic market demand. These figures are not only staggering but also affirm China's determination to shape the future of the global economy while other nations struggle to recover from recessions. The National Development and Reform Commission (NDRC) serves as the mastermind, directing funds into pioneering sectors, marking a shift from real estate to high-tech and sustainable development. China's project approval mechanism is a decisive advantage. While many countries take years to greenlight an infrastructure project, China does it in months. For instance, a major infrastructure project can be approved in just 90 days, enabling rapid implementation and optimized investment efficiency. This speed reflects not only determination, but also a streamlined management system that eliminates bureaucracy and accelerates progress. Supporting this strategy is a proactive fiscal policy and a moderately loose monetary policy from the People's Bank of China (PBOC). In 2025, the PBOC employs flexible measures to stabilize prices, control inflation, and ensure capital flows to key projects. Financial reforms, such as interest rate adjustments and enhanced oversight of public debt, help China balance growth and economic stability. Meanwhile, the PBOC collaborates with the NDRC to prioritize financial support for enterprises involved in these projects. From state-owned conglomerates to the private sector, it's creating powerful momentum for development. These figures and mechanisms testify to a China leading the world with remarkable strategic vision and operational efficiency. With vast financial resources and a streamlined management system, these 182 projects are not only the foundation for China's rise, but also a catalyst for global economic cooperation, delivering lasting benefits to many nations. 2. Details of the 182 projects. Outstanding achievements in infrastructure and technology. China has made a powerful breakthrough with 182 infrastructure and manufacturing projects launched in the first quarter of 2025, sending shockwaves across the globe. These are not merely technical projects. They are modern marvels where cutting-edge technology intertwines with colossal scale. Driven by a far-reaching strategic vision, by integrating artificial intelligence AI, the Internet of Things IoT, big data and automation, China is reshaping the future of the global economy. So, what exactly are these projects, and what makes them exceptional? Transportation, breakthrough connectivity, leading speed. China is redefining transportation with high-speed rail HSR and subway projects, delivering ultra-fast, efficient, and sustainable connectivity. New HSR lines, equipped with intelligent control systems and advanced aerodynamic designs, not only shorten travel times, but also boost commerce, tourism, and cultural exchange between major cities. Subway systems in 37 cities integrate AI to manage passenger flows, predict peak hours, and optimize schedules, ensuring smooth operations even during rush hours. Compared to Japan's Shinkansen, which spans 2,000 miles with an average speed of 200 miles per hour, China's HSR reaches 217 miles per hour and covers 25,000 miles, 12.5 times the coverage. China's subway system serves 1 billion passengers annually, far surpassing the London Underground 400 million trips per year, or the New York subway 1.7 billion trips per year for the entire system. The key difference lies in automation. HSR and subway trains use driverless technology, paired with smart stations equipped with IoT to monitor crowds and adjust lighting and air conditioning in real time. While public transportation systems in Europe and the US are often limited by aging infrastructure and high upgrade costs, China builds from the ground up with cutting-edge technology, creating a modern, flexible, and scalable transportation network. For example, the new Beijing-Guangzhou HSR line cuts travel time from 8 hours to 4 hours, unlocking commercial opportunities worth hundreds of billions of USD annually, while reducing carbon emissions through clean energy use, energy and environment. Pioneering sustainability in the realm of energy and environment. China leads with renewable energy and ecosystem restoration projects, setting new benchmarks for sustainable development. Solar and wind power plants, equipped with AI integrated, smart grids optimize energy distribution and reduce power losses. Desertification restoration projects employ smart irrigation, IoT soil sensors, and data analytics to regenerate ecosystems, transforming barren lands into arable fields or lush forests. China has achieved a renewable energy capacity of 200 gigawatts from 50 new projects, far surpassing Germany, Europe's leader, with 83 gigawatts 2024. Its smart grid reduces power losses to 5% compared to an average of 10% in the US and 8% in Japan. The key difference lies in comprehensive technology integration. IoT sensors monitor air quality and soil moisture, while big data predicts climate impacts, enabling real-time energy strategy adjustments. For example, the Gobi solar plant in Inner Mongolia, the 50-gigawatt capacity, not only powers millions of households, but also incorporates advanced energy storage systems for a stable supply, like developed nations, where green energy projects often face delays due to high costs or complex regulations. China combines rapid deployment with technological innovation, creating a positive environmental impact on a global scale. HighTech and Manufacturing, shaping the digital future in high-tech and manufacturing. China is building advanced factories to produce semiconductors, electric vehicle batteries, and smart devices, solidifying its position as the hub of the global supply chain. These factories employ fully automated production lines with AI-controlled robots to boost productivity and precision. The AI Plus Consumer Initiative drives exports of smart devices. From 5G smartphones to household robots, with brands like Huawei and Xiaomi leading the market, China produces 80% of the world's lithium-ion batteries and 50% of 5G components. Compared to the US's 10% share in batteries and 5% in 5G components 2024, blockchain ensures transparency in the supply chain, from raw materials to finished products, while IoT monitors real-time production processes, reducing manufacturing errors to under 1%. Unlike Europe, where supply chains are fragmented and rely on multiple countries, China creates a closed-loop manufacturing ecosystem from research to mass production, cutting costs and accelerating innovation. The Zhang'an Smart City is a clear example. Using AI to manage traffic, it reduces congestion by 20% and saves 15 million kilowatt-hours of electricity annually, outperforming Singapore, where smart traffic systems cut congestion by 15% and save 10 million kilowatt-hours per year. New semiconductor factories in Shenzhen, integrating 5 nanometers production technology, meet 20% of domestic chip demand, reducing reliance on imports and strengthening China's technological dominance. These projects, with cutting-edge technology and massive scale, not only affirm China's leadership, but also inspire global innovation. They're proof of a nation transforming itself into a living laboratory for the future, leading in vision and execution speed. 3. Domestic impact. China strengthens its position as an economic superpower. China is operating like a colossal economic machine, turning 182 infrastructure and manufacturing projects in Q1 2025 into a powerful lever for growth and improving people's lives. These projects do more than build infrastructure. They unlock vast economic and social opportunities, strengthening the domestic economy. These initiatives create millions of jobs, particularly for rural workers. Major infrastructure projects alone employ a workforce equivalent to the population of a mid-sized city, helping thousands of families escape poverty through stable jobs and higher incomes. For example, high-speed rail and industrial park projects have transformed underdeveloped rural areas into new economic hubs, enhancing workforce skills and improving quality of life. Economic growth is significantly boosted by these projects, outpacing many major economies. Investments in transportation, infrastructure, and urbanization have spurred domestic consumption, expanded markets, and driven growth in supporting industries. New rail lines and seaports reduce domestic logistics costs, lowering the price of goods and services and directly benefiting consumers. Urbanization is also accelerating, with smart cities like Zhongnan setting a new standard. These cities use AI to manage traffic, energy, and public services, reducing congestion and enhancing living conditions. Compared to developed nations where urbanization often strains infrastructure, China creates sustainable cities integrated with advanced technology, delivering a modern living experience for millions of residents. 4. International impact. Shaping supply chains and promoting global cooperation. 182 projects are not just China's story, they are a driving force in reshaping the global economy, reinforcing China's role as the hub of global supply chains and transcontinental trade through the Belt and Road Initiative (BRI). China delivers tangible benefits to numerous countries and fosters international cooperation in global supply chains. China holds a central position, producing 60% of electric vehicle batteries and 50% of 5G components worldwide. The high-tech factories from these 182 projects ensure a stable supply for electric vehicles, telecommunications, and smart devices, supporting industries in Europe, Asia, and Africa. Compared to the US, which holds only a 10% share of EV battery production, China creates a closed-loop manufacturing ecosystem, reducing costs and accelerating innovation. Transcontinental trade is significantly boosted by BRI infrastructure projects. The China-Laos Railway cuts transportation costs from Southeast Asia by 50%, generating billions of USD in economic benefits for the ASEAN region. The Hambantota port in Sri Lanka has increased cargo traffic by 20%, creating 50,000 local jobs and opening export opportunities for South Asian countries. The RCEP agreement, representing 30% of global GDP, strengthens trade between China and ASEAN, reaching a value of $1.2 trillion and forming the world's largest free trade zone. International cooperation is a highlight of these projects. Over 500 companies from Europe, the US, and Asia contributing technology and services. BRI projects drive 4% economic growth in Africa and ASEAN, creating jobs and development opportunities for millions. China's commitment to reducing carbon emissions from new projects by 10% sets a global standard for sustainable development, inspiring other nations to invest in green energy and smart infrastructure. These projects not only affirm China's global leadership, but also spread a spirit of cooperation, ushering in a new era of sustainable development and global connectivity from high-speed railways that erase geographical boundaries, smart seaports operating as the beating heart of global trade, to high-tech factories leading the race in AI and green energy. China's 182 projects in Q1 2025 are proof of a superpower. It's not only building infrastructure, but also shaping the future. While many nations struggle with economic recessions and outdated infrastructure, China has turned every bridge and every factory into a strategic chess move, connecting 140 countries through the Belt and Road Initiative, gradually shaping the global economic order. This is not just about numbers. It's the story of a nation rewriting history. And we want to hear your thoughts. Are these 182 projects the dawn of a multipolar era, or a wake-up call for an unprecedented race in modern history? What do you think is the key to China's success? Strategic vision, rapid execution, or pioneering technology? Drop your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated on the latest analyses of technology. National strategies, innovations shaping the future. Top 10 Discoveries Official will be back with untold stories, projects that push boundaries, and quiet revolutions with global impact.